Yo, what's going on, guys? Just a few days short of being a month since Jpouch surgery. Honestly, I am feeling awesome. Since I got on those anti-acid pills, I've been feeling much better, a lot. More hungry, got my appetite back pretty good. So I've been eating a lot more, got more energy. Today I just wanted to change it up real quick from the normal health or UC videos. Today I just want to have a little fun, show you my car since I'm feeling good. Just have a little bit of fun. When it gets a little warmer, I'm going to show you guys my my Harley and my do some onboard rides with that, along with my Enduro. Going to take that off-road and do some fun with that. But let me show you guys what I've been driving right now. One of my cars. It is a Dodge Caliber, but it is the SRT4 model.
And I heard this voice call unto me. And the voice had power and majesty. And the voice said, psst, psst. And I walked up to the voice and I said, what? And the voice got magnificent, holy, and resounded. And the voice said, give me some of that sand.
Albert Einstein with the Weinstein shirt. Every Mountie on the county on high alert. Buck crew coming through too high to hurt. We are CR, say hi to Kurt. And the Hicktown crew, Bruce Will and his par. We're getting right wrecked as Bruce Willis's car. Fuck the bar, we are pit partying down to Victoria and up to Port Hardy and back down again when every day 6 hicks.
Let's go ahead and show you guys the two-step real quick, and then we're gonna go for a little drive. So let's have some fun. Just trying to get the car warmed up. I was out a little bit earlier, so it's almost warmed. We're gonna turn just up here in a couple minutes here, and we're gonna give it a good second gear pull and see what it got here. About 100. It was it's pretty quick. Do another quick one here. And then let's turn around and we'll do a quick launch here. Alright, traction's off, two-step. I mean, I ripped all the way through second gear. I had a turn, but I mean, otherwise I probably would have burned out through a course in a third as well. But yeah, I mean, that's my car. It's a fun car. It's quick. It's got a ton of space in it, so I can carry my dogs and stuff. Sorry, my camera shut off there, but that's a basic overview of my car. Thing's fun, man. It's got a lot of room in it, so I can carry my dogs in it, but it's still quick. So yeah, I had a blast with it. They didn't make too many of these. I think only like 5,000. There's a plaque up on the side of my dash. I think mine's like 2,000 of that 5,000 ever made. so it was a limited run. Most people just didn't like it due to the size. They like the Dodge Neon SRT4 a little bit better. But I just chose this thing, like I said, for the trunk space and everything. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different from my normal posts. Like I said, I'm feeling a lot better today, so just kind of wanted to go out and have fun. It's cold outside, about 35 degrees, so I like to call this turbo weather. Cars love this. But otherwise, if you have any questions about my car, or you know, my other videos, health, fitness, anything like that, you know, just feel free, drop a comment, let me know. Also, you know, don't forget to subscribe, that helps me a lot. I'll leave my Instagram link in the description if you guys want to check that out. I post some stuff there, and take direct messages there as well. Otherwise, you guys have a good rest of your week, and then have a good weekend, and we'll catch back up. Peace.